you can dress better. It's not difficult. Matter of fact, all you gotta do is stop shying away from color. See, for the longest, your boy would only wear black. But then what does your boy do? All right, let's mix in some brown in there. Oh, wait, but Jose, you should have mixed brown and black. Says who? Says who, bro? Stop shying away from colors. See, color's a great thing. And once you start realizing what colors work with your skin tone color, you become a dangerous man. Because now it doesn't really matter what brands you have, what logos you're showing off. What matters is that you know how to synchronize colors. You know what colors make your skin color pop. And now you're dressing better. So I don't want you to shy away from color. Yes, your blacks, your whites, your neutrals, they're great. That's what your base should be filled on. But then start adding some color on top of that, and I promise you, you'll level up. 2, try what you've never tried. Too many times we fall into areas of comfort. By the way, I've fallen victim of that. How long did I tell you guys never wear oversized clothing? Only for me to start wearing oversized clothing like 2 years ago and never looking back. See, the problem here is that when you settle your mind, no, I'm not gonna wear, you are limiting how well you can dress. Because there's so many different styles and aesthetics that you can implement that's gonna make you dress well. So I'll speak on the flip side. If you're the guy that's always worn loose fit stuff, which fits great, right? It's comfortable, I get why you wanna wear it. Don't close your eyes to wearing the tailored stuff, right? Wear a tailored suit once. Feel the power of proper tailoring. Yo, maybe not a whole suit. Buy a pair of tailored chinos. Look at just how good you look, how put together you look, how leveled up you look. Always wear what you wouldn't wear and just experiment outside your comfort zone. 3, accessorize with jewelry. This is key for every guy that's trying to dress better, because once you start getting into style, you'll learn it can get expensive. Even when you're avoiding the designer and name brand stuff, you can still end up spending a couple $100 just to revamp your wardrobe, which this is why I always revert to jewelry. Once you start getting into style, you realize that jewelry is like a cheat code where you could be wearing a simple t-shirt like I'm wearing now, but then you level it up with a watch, a bracelet, and some necklaces, and now you got a completely different fit. So in other words, you can have a couple of blank tees, black, white, and gray, let's say 3, but you could wear them every day of the week if you accessorize it differently. Most people won't notice that's the same t-shirt. That's what I love about jewelry. And with jewelry, it's not expensive. See, with our sponsor, Rose Gold and Black, you're getting a high quality jewelry that's affordable. See, with Rose Gold and Black, what I love about them is that they design everything. Any type of jewelry you can think of that you want, they got. You want necklaces with pendants? They got you. You want pearls? They got you. You want bracelets? Do you want a bead or do you want metal bracelets? They got you either way. Do you want watches? Do you want rings? Yo, literally any type of jewelry you want, they got. And right now they're doing their mid-year sale, which means for right now, the entire site, which is already affordable, by the way, it's already a steal. You're going to get a 35% off, meaning for their mid-year sale, you're getting 35% off already affordable jewelry. If you've been wanting to stock up on jewelry, this is your time to do it, especially with their necklace stacks. You already know what I think about stacking necklaces. I love to stack necklaces. It's the easiest way to level up your style because it's more complicated. Not everybody does it. Where right now, Rose Gold and Black does the work for you by selling you stacked sets, so you don't even have to think about it. You can just buy the stacked set, which is at 35% off, and now you're basically getting 2 necklaces at a complete steal that you can wear separate or together. And if that weren't enough, if you shop right now for their sale, not only are you going to get 35% off, once you get to the cart or the checkout page, you can actually add a free necklace or a free bracelet on top of the stacked sets, which means this is the time, bro. If you want to get a steal to be able to buy a lot of jewelry for a low price to level up your wardrobe, this is the sale to take action on. If you guys want to check out Rose Gold and Black, it'll be linked down below. 4, keep your underwear sexy. I've never talked about this, but your underwear is just as important as every other piece of clothing, especially once the clothing's coming off, once things are getting hot and sexy, bro. I don't want to see whitey tighties. And more importantly, I don't want to see stained underwear. And she doesn't either. Stick to black. Black is sexy. Black is safe. Black will make you look good without the clothes. And on top of that, stain free, bro. So you look good. 5, spend heavy on your footwear. See, I usually don't promote spending a lot of money on your clothes. But on the one area you do want to spend a little more, maybe not hundreds or thousands, but more, is on your footwear. See, because you can be wearing the most simple fit, right? But if you got nice footwear, the quality speaks for itself and it levels up the entire fit. It's almost like it fools everybody to think, yo, he must be wearing brand name across the entire fit. On top of the fact that your shoes are the one that take the most wear, right? That's what you're using to walk, so it wears and tears really fast. And if you buy the cheap stuff, because it'll wear and tear really fast, you'll have to replace it a lot. So actually, buying a little bit more expensive ends up saving you money in the long run. And what you end up getting is that, yo, if I got a nice pair of Tom Fords that, yes, I saved up to buy, and I pair them with Walmart trousers, you'll never know those are Walmart trousers. 6, dress for the environment. No. And I'm not even talking about global warming or tree hugging. No. What I'm saying is, style is not a self-expression of personality, or style is an art form. Yeah, you can use it for that stuff, but at the end of the day, style is a form of communication. More than all of those attributes, when you wear clothing, whether you want to or not, you are communicating with everybody non-verbally, which means when you enter situations, whether it's a meeting, your first day at the job, whether it's your first date, you want to communicate in that environment, and the right clothing can elevate your performance in that environment, and it's been proven. For example, if you wear more formal stuff, it's been proven that you can think more abstractly, help you problem solve better. Finally takes me to number 7. I want you to buy a suit and never rent it. You should never rent a suit. See, as a man, once you cross 18, you need at least one tailored suit. Dark color, it could be navy, black, gray, I don't care. Get one tailored suit, because you'll use it for every formal invitation you get, whether it's a wedding, it's a presentation, etc. And the cool thing with the suit is that you can break it up. You can wear the pants as chinos, you can wear the top as a sport coat. The point is, boys, one good suit, when you rent it, that fits like trash. When it's yours, it fits like a glove, bro. That's it for me today. See you next time.